All right, boys and girls, today's math lesson is going to be about shapes. We're joined today by my dog, right over there. Her name is Callie. She's going to hang out for our lesson. So let's begin. 2D shapes. Does anyone remember what is a 2D shape? Remember, 2D shapes are flat. They have a front and a back, but they don't have any space in between or volume. So, what shapes are 2D shapes? Let's think. What about this shape? Do you remember what it's called? This is a circle. Remember, circles are all round. They don't have any corners and they don't have any sides. Let's see if we can remember this shape. It's got 4 corners and 4 sides that are all the same size. This is a square. Did you get square? Now we have a shape that looks like this. This shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. Did you guess triangle? Good job. Triangles can look a lot of different ways. They can look like this, where all the sides are the same, or they can look like this, where all the sides are different sizes. They can be upside down. They can be on their side. Triangles can be any way, but if it has 3 sides and 3 points, it's a triangle. Let's try this shape. Go this way. This shape has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. It has 4 corners. This is a rectangle. Good job. And it can lay down on its side or it can stand up tall. Either way, it's still a rectangle. It can be skinny or it can be fat. Still, no matter which way you put it on its side or up and down, it is still a rectangle. One more. This is the toughest one we've done. Does anybody remember what this shape is? This is called a diamond or a rhombus. Remember, in kindergarten, we try and call it a rhombus. Okay, now for today's job. We are going to be making secret pictures with only shapes. So, here's what I want you to do. I want you to find a piece of paper and something to write with, a marker, a pen, a pencil, anything at all, and then come back to the video. So hit pause, go find a piece of paper and something to write with, and then we'll keep going. Okay, hopefully you have your paper and something to write with because I have a challenge for you. I am going to describe a picture that I drew, and you're going to try and draw it on your piece of paper. And then we're going to compare to see if our pictures look the same or different. Are you ready? Let's see. Let me get my pictures. There we go. We're going to do this 2 times. So let's start this one. Okay, in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a rectangle with the long sides up and down and the short sides on the top and the bottom. Did you draw the rectangle? Okay, next, on top of the rectangle, you're going to draw a triangle. It should touch the top of the rectangle. Okay, now down at the bottom of the rectangle, inside the rectangle, we're going to draw a little square. It should be smaller than the rectangle. And inside that square that we just drew, we're going to make a little circle. Okay, we're still inside that big rectangle, and we're going to go towards the top where we drew the triangle. In the rectangle part, draw 2 more squares. Okay, now outside the rectangle, outside the big rectangle, on either side at the bottom, draw a nice circle. So on one side of the rectangle, you're going to draw a circle, and on the other side of the rectangle, you're going to draw a circle. If you're not finished drawing, hit pause. I'm about to show you the answer. Are you ready? Let's see if yours looks like mine. That's what I drew. See how I drew a big rectangle, a triangle at the top, a little square at the bottom with a circle in it, my 2 other squares up at the top, and my circles down at the bottom. Does yours look like mine? If not, that's okay. Did you try your best? Okay, let's try it one more time. So you can either flip your paper over to the back of it or get a new one. We're going to try this game one more time. Okay, so this time I drew 2 skinny rectangles that were up and down, and I put them a little bit apart from each other. I didn't put them right next to each other on my paper. Do you have 2 skinny rectangles on your paper? At the top of the rectangles, I drew a circle on top of each rectangle. So I drew one on top of the first one and one on top of the second one. I want my circle to be pretty big. I put a lot of different small, tiny little triangles inside my circles. So inside the circles that are on top of the rectangles, I drew little triangles. I drew about 6 triangles in each circle. Then I went to the top corner of my paper and I drew a circle. Out of that circle, I put a bunch of little lines. And that's what I did for this picture. So if you're ready, you can keep listening. If you're still drawing or you need more time, hit the pause button. Are you ready to see the answer? Okay, here we go. This is what I drew. I drew my 2 tall rectangles with circles on top. Inside each circle were small triangles. And then in the top corner, I drew a circle with lines coming out of it to be my sun. Does your picture look like mine? It's okay if it doesn't, as long as you tried your best. Now here's the best part. You get to challenge somebody in your home. It could be a brother or a sister, or maybe even a mom or a dad or whoever else is home with you. And what you're going to do is you're going to go somewhere where they can't see you, and you're going to draw a picture using only shapes. And then, without them seeing what you're drawing, you're going to keep it covered, and you're going to try and tell them how to draw your picture to see if they can make it match yours. You can do this as many times as you want. Have